Alright, hey, what's up, gaming? There's Jamieden here. I just did this already, and my audio broke, so I'm gonna do it again, just for you guys. So, what we have here is nope, 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 nope. The iOS 13 beta. And you may be wondering, yeah, I've scoured all over the internet for that. I know where the iOS 13 beta is. No, you fucking don't. And I'll tell you why. Because every single one of these links is broken. For example, if I were to go here, this is the beta right here. If I hit download, thanks Google, and a bunch of other websites do this too. Like if I go to this one and hit download, and go to the mega downloads, it was taken off. But it's in the last place you'd expect. A UDID registration page. And I think they got around this because I think they're hosting the files from their own web server. And that's good because then you don't have third parties saying, yeah, we got to take this down for like this reason, that reason. No, it's right here. But I will say, there are warnings that you should heed if you're planning on doing this on your own personal device. iOS 13 obviously just came out, and there's going to be bugs. Granted, there are a lot of important features, but there's going to be bugs, and we all know it. It's just a matter of whether you're willing to deal with them, and if you do not have the option of downgrading, if you're willing to live with that until the new iOS comes out. Also, UDID registrations. I don't know if they're important, because I think Apple checks everything and anything, beta software profiles, I don't know. But it is possible that your device could be bricked for not having your UDID registered. And again, I don't know how that all works, but it's whatever. Do with these warnings what you will. If you're going to do it anyway, like I am, and being stupid, then go for it. But just know that I am in no way responsible for what happens to you or your devices because of this. So, with that said, all you have to do is when you go to the UDID place, we're going to go to this webpage right here. It's also going to be in the description. You're going to hit download. Obviously, it's going to send me to the confirmation page since I already filled all this out. But down here, there's going to be an iOS 13 section. Or if you're on iPad, there's iPadOS 13. And then, the watchOS 6 and tvOS 13. But those are the beta software profiles. This one requires iOS 13, but if you're going for the tvOS 13 beta, I don't think you need anything special. And then when you're ready to download something, like let's say you have the iPhone X or the iPhone 10, because obviously the Apple doesn't like us saying it with the letter, they like it saying us with Roman numerals. So we're going to hit download, and it just starts downloading down here. It's a pretty fast download too. It's not restricted to the bandwidth low on their end. It's more or less restricted on our end. And I cancel that because I already have it right here. So with that said, thank you everyone so much for watching. And I'm hoping that all of you who are coming for this just to get the download page will stick around to see what else I make. I may make gaming videos, but I'm trying to make more in the future. So with that said, thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you all in whatever dimension you happen to be in. Catch you all later. I don't know if that showed any of my text, but whatever, it's fine.